Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am uploading a recipe for curry made with Ivy Gourd. It's very simple and easy to make, and it's ideal to make when you are back tired from work, as it doesn't involve much of effort at all. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Cut off the ends of the ivy gourd and chop it longitudinally as shown in the video. Also peel and chop the onions and potatoes as shown in the video. I prefer to chop the potatoes last as they turn darker if left after cutting. The quicker they turn darker depends on the temperature, and in cooler temperatures it may not turn dark. Heat sunflower oil in a pressure cooker. Add mustard seeds, and when they start spluttering, add cumin seeds. When they stop spluttering, add curry leaves followed by the onions. Add salt as per taste and sauté till the onions start turning translucent. Then add the potatoes and the ivy gourd. Mix well and add turmeric powder. Sauté for a minute and then add tomato puree. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Close the lid of the pressure cooker with the whistle on and cook till 1 whistle. Then allow it to cool sufficiently to release the pressure and open the lid. Mix well, then add cumin powder, coriander powder and red chilli powder. Mix well and sauté for about a minute and then transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy the delicious ivy gourd curry with rice or any of the Indian breads.